Morning, all of you, and let's start.
Morning.
So, in today's class, we will learn how to find current. How to find current in parallel combination. Okay, what is the topic? How to find current in parallel combination of resistors, we can say.
జర్రా బయట నేను నాకు ఏం అవసరం లేదు ఉండదు ఉండదు
Okay, so let's see how to find. Now concentrate and see how to do this. First, I am taking one example that we will solve, then we will discuss some similar models so that you will understand perfectly. Now, this is parallel combination. So, what I am doing, I am taking one example which consists of 3 parallel resistors. One, this is 2, and this is 3. So, concentrate. These are the 3 resistors which are connected in parallel, and now this is what battery which we have connected across it. So positive, and this is negative terminal. So what I'm taking 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and this is, let us take 6 ohm. Okay, 2, 4, and 6. And I'm taking this potential, how much? 48 volt. Now tell me how current will divide. See, at this point, you are having 3 branches, means from this point you are having 3 branches. Till here you will get only current I only, yes or not? And out of this also, again, when it is coming out, this is I only. But here you are having 3 branches. This is first one, yes, this is second one, and this is third one. So this current is going to divide. So let us denote it as I1, this current as I2, and this current as I3. Now we know I1 plus I2 plus I3 should be equal to what? This total current. Yes, this is our equation number 1. Okay, right. Now, potential across these all resistors will remain same or it will change? Yes. Across this all resistors, you will have potential V, and which is not going to change. So how much this potential is? Bolo. Potential
48 volts.
Yes, potential across each resistor is same
Sir,
That is,
I1 is equal to 24 ampere.
okay, wait,
I2 is equal to 12 ampere. I2
yes,
total
wait,
is equal to 44 ampere.
okay, wait. So applied voltage, and that is equal to 48 volt. Now, first, I want to find this I, and then I will go for I1, I2, and I3. So first I will find out RP, parallel resistance. Net resistance I will find first. Net resistance. Now here three resistance are in parallel. So therefore 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. How much LCM you will take? Tell me. 24
12, sir.
or okay, 24 or 12, anything you can take. If I am taking 24, what is here? 12, है ना? Here it is how much? Bolo.
6.
6 plus here it is how much?
4.
4.
4.
So what is the addition?
22
Yes.
by 22 by 24. 2 by
22 by
22 by
24. This is what? 1 by RP. So RP is equal to what? Bolo. RP is equal to
24 by 22. 11 by 12 by 11.
okay,
11 by
24 by 22. This is equal to 12 by 11 ohm.
12 by 11.
Yes, no, everyone got like this. Yes. Everyone got like this.
Yes,
12
sir.
by 11 ohm.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now after this, I want to find current I, and current I we know total potential divided by what? Total resistance. सही है ना? Total
Yes, sir.
potential by
sir.
total resistance. So here total potential is 48 volt and total resistance. How much total resistance? Bolo. 12 by 11.
12 by 11.
So this 11 is going up. So this is 48 into 11 divided by 12. Bolo.
44.
44 amperes.
44.
This is what?
4.
4. And therefore you are getting total current as 44 ampere.
44.
Okay. Right. This is okay. Understood. Total current we have found out. Okay. Now after this, I got total current. Now I want to find I1 across this diagram. I1 is equal to what you will get? I1 is equal to what we will get? Tell me. See, from Ohm's law in parallel combination, P is equal to I into R total. Similarly, V is equal to I1 into R1. Yes. Also, V is equal to I2 into R2. And also, V is equal to I3 into R3. So already we did this, है ना? We have found out this part, so no need to find this. Now direct, can I write like this? Therefore, I1 is equal to P by R1. P is how much here? 48. R1 is how much? See backside? 2 ohm, है ना? तो ये कितना आ जाएगा, बोलो बोलो, how much?
24.
24 ampere.
24 ampere. Okay, second one bolo, I2 is equal to how much? I2
12
P
ampere.
by
12 amperes.
R2. So this is 48 and R2 resistance is how much in the diagram? 4. तो कितना आ
4,
जाएगा?
sir.
4. हाँ बोलो कितना? 12
12
ampere.
12
ampere.
ampere.
Good. Yes. And I3, tell me I3 formula. P by R3, which is equal
R3.
to 48 by
48 by 6, sir.
6. Then
8
ampere.
8 amperes.
8 ampere.
8 ampere. So you see, if you will add these all, are we getting 44? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
I is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
I1 plus I2 plus I3 is right only, no? We got same 44, 44. Right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
our answer is right. Okay. Understood clearly how I did? Yes, everything is clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
no?
Sir.
Okay. So shall we solve now little bit difficult one? This you understood, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So note down this page and this is your second page. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Write down. Previous page you want?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down karo. Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your next page. Write down fast. Okay, finished?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Everyone finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's move ahead. And now little bit change in the model. See now how they are asking. So another example I am taking. Now see here. This is the diagram of the next problem for whatever we are going to do. And this is 4 ohm. And this is also, let us suppose 4 ohm. This is 4 ohm and this is 8 ohm. Okay. And this is, let us suppose 32 volt. How much potential? 32 volt. And now what he is asking, current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor is X, and what we have to find that what is the value of this X, because from both the resistors current is flowing how much? X, and this current is how much? 2x.
Sir, 8 ampere.
Yes, wait. This current is 2x. So what you have to find? Find X. But how to do this model? Those who understood, okay. Those who did not, just listen one more time. So see here, first what I will do. My first step is, now see here it is 2x, and as this is x, if you will find out direct x also, it is easy. Or even suppose sometimes they will ask the current across this 4 ohm is how much, then that also we can do. So let's see. Now first of all, we have to find total resistance. First you find out total resistance. So when you are finding total resistance, these two branches are in a parallel combination, hai na? So this branch is parallel branch, and same resistor is connected. So which formula you will use? Bolo bolo.
R by
R by N.
R by N, sir. R by N.
RP is equal to R by N. So this is equal to how much? 4 by 2, which is equal
4 by
to
2.
2 ohm.
2, sir.
Even if you will do by 1 by RP formula, you will get same only, है ना? ये देखो 1 by RP formula use करो. 1 by RP is equal to 2 by 4, and take reciprocal, that is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 ohm, है ना? Same, are you getting? Yes. So any
Yes,
one.
sir.
So this is just shortcut method. In the note point already I have given. Okay. Now again rearrange or redraw the diagram. This is 2 ohm now, hai na? And now this is 4, and this is 8. And this total current is how much they have given? 2x. So this is 32 volt. Now total resistance is what? RT is equal to 2 ohm plus 4 ohm plus
4
8
ohm
ohm.
plus 8 ohm.
Because why? Because current is same across all. So how much total resistance? 14 ohm.
14 ohm.
14.
Yes.
14.
And now I want total current. Total current is equal to total potential. Total potential divided by bolo bolo.
Total resistance.
Yes.
Total
Total
resistance.
resistance. So I is equal to, this is total potential is 32, and this total resistance is how much? 14, huh?
14 ohm.
14.
14 ohm.
Yes. So how much this is? 16 by 7.
16 by 7.
Yes, 16 by 7 ampere. Now total current we know. Total current I is equal to 2x, है ना? I is equal to 2x. So shall I equate this 2x is equal to 16 by 7? Can I equate? This is
Yes,
given,
sir.
na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore 2x is equal to 16 by 7, and this 2 will get cancelled with this 16. So x is equal to how much? 8 by 7 ampere.
8 by 7. 8 by 7.
Yes. Can you check it, everyone?
Excuse me, sir.
8 by 7 is right or not? Check
Excuse
it.
me, sir.
Sir.
So current across 4 ohm resistor is how much?
So if we take the value of R as 4 ohms, then we are getting also different, sir. We are getting X equals to 8, not 8 by 7.
If we will take
R equals to 4 ohms.
which R?
Resistance, sir.
Total resistance.
We are,
But if
I'm
we
getting
take
resistance
the-
of first.
So if we do it directly, we get only 8 ohms and 16 ohms, 16 amperes and 8 amperes, sir.
Why like that you are getting?
Sir, current is equal to total potential divided by resistor. 32 volts by 4 ohm is equal to 8 ampere.
But why you want to do that? Question is different now. The resistance is not 4 ohm. You don't assume like that. According to diagram you go now. This is the question for this. This is the answer, right?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Sir, we are calculating the. Sir, we are calculating X now, sir.
So
So, so X current is flowing through 4 ohms also. So we can
Yes.
take directly now, sir. Like V equals to IR, so 32 equals to I into 4. I value is 6.
in this you have to find out potential difference. This is series combination. If you are going that method, you have to find here V1 across this. Then here it is 4 ohm. V2 across this 4 ohm, and across this is V3. And then you have to do like this. Not that method. 32 is not the potential difference across each resistor. I will tell you next one. Next question. See now. So next problem, in this you will understand how we are dividing the potential and how we are finding the question or current, not question. So see, 1, 2, this is 3. Now you will understand clearly. This is 9 ohm. This is, let us take 9 ohm. This is 9 ohm. This is also 9 ohm. And this is also 9 ohm. And the potential across this is let us take it as a 42 volt. Okay. Now we have to find here I1, this is I2, and this is I3. I is not given. We don't want to find I. Or if this is I also, let us find out what is in that. Okay. So find I1, I2, and I3, and I also. Question is like this. This question you have to do it properly. Find I, comma I1, comma I2, and I3. So first I am going to find out I. What I am going to find out? I. So first step, that is total current. I want to find total current I. Concentrate properly. For that I need total resistance. So total resistance. So first of all, these 3 resistors are in parallel. Which 3 resistors? These 3 resistors. These 3 resistors are in parallel. As these 3 resistors are in parallel, so here I am getting Rp is equal to R by N. So this is 9 by 3, which is equal to 3 ohm. 3 ohm. So here now,
This was 3 only, sir.
because there are 3 resistors, not the 2. So So R is 9, N is 3. Okay. Next
Okay,
is,
sir.
so this is 3 ohm. Then next is what? 9 ohm. And this is what? Again 9 ohm. And this is 42. Now this is 3 ohm, 9 ohm, and this is 9 ohm. So what is the total resistance? All are in series. As all are in series, RT is equal to 3 plus 9 plus 9. How much? 21 ohm.
21.
1 ohm.
And therefore I is equal to 42 by 21, which is equal to
2,
2
sir.
ampere. Yes, no, what is that?
Sir.
2 ampere.
2 ampere.
Yes. Charanjit, yes, your answer is right. I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. He got 7 ampere. Let's check. Okay. Understood? Till here understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
I1, I2 and I3 we have to find. For that what I am doing, listen. So let's take the second page for this. Now what I am doing, I am redrawing again. So here it is 9 ohm. Here also 9. And here also 9. This side how much? 9 ohm, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is also 9. And this is battery whose potential is 42 volt. And this is I1. This is I2 and this is I3. This is also 9 ohm. Now see here, this is the one resistor value you will get, but across this you will get potential, that is V1. Across this you will get potential drop V2, and across this you will get potential drop V3. So first let's find out V1. So as this is 3 ohm resistor, V1 is equal
3
to
ohm.
V1 is equal to what? Total current we have find out already.
9 by 3.
To R total. है ना? Or R1 we have to take. Yes. So let's take R1. Because see, one more time. This is our diagram, no? This is 3, this is 9, and this is 9. After finding, है ना? 9 ohm, 9 ohm, and this is 3 ohm. And here it is 42. So across this is potential how much? V1. Across this is what? V2. सही है ना? Across this is V3. Because this 999 are in parallel, if we will find resultant, you will get 3 ohm only. And here already we have found out the current. How much this is? 2 ampere. सही है ना? Yes, 2 ampere already we have found. So can I write like this? V1 is equal to I into R1. Yes. V2 is equal to I into R2. And V3 is equal to I
Sir,
into R.
I1 is equal to R, I2 is equal to I3 is equal to 2 by 3 ampere.
Now we will check it. Wait. This is what V1, V2. V1 is what now? V1 is equal to 2 into 3, 6 volt. समझ में आ रहा है? V2 is equal to I is what? 2. R2 is what? 9. How much? 18 volt. V3 is what? V3 is what? Bolo bolo. I is 2. R3
2
is 9.
into 9.
How much? 18.
18 volt.
18 plus 18, 36
18
plus
volt.
6, 42. Okay, V1, V2 we got. Now again I am coming back to this point. So here now, just taking these 3 resistors, listen carefully. Just taking these 3 resistors now, and I am connecting only one battery, that is V1. V1 potential I am connecting here so that I will get some current. Listen carefully what I did. This is I1, this is I2, and this is I3. I don't want total potential now, because across this 3 ohm you are getting V1 only. Means across this 999 you are getting V1, and this V1 is how much? Bolo bolo, V1 is equal to how much? How much V1? 6 volt.
6 volts.
So this is
6 volts.
and this is 9 ohm. This is also 9 ohm, and this is also 9 ohm. Now see, I1 is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2, and I3 is equal to V by R3. Yes or no, in parallel combination. So I1 is equal to what now? 6 by 9. How much that is? 2 by 3. Similarly,
2 by
I2 is equal to how much? I2 is equal to bolo. I2 is also equal to how much? Yes,
V by R2. V by R2.
yes, V by R2. V by
6
R2.
by 9.
I2 is equal to V by R2. So this is also again 6 by 9. So this
6
is also
by
2 by
9.
3. Similarly,
2
I3
by 3.
also 2 by 3. So therefore, I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3, which is equal to 2 by 3 ampere. Yes, no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
चरणजीत,
Yes,
तेरे को
sir.
7 एम्पियर कैसे आया रे? दिस इज रॉन्ग. चरणजीत का आंसर देखो, नॉट 7 एम्पियर. ये शशांक को आ गया 2 एम्पियर. शशांक को आ गया 2 एम्पियर. ओके, एंड V1 प्लस V2 इज इक्वल टू V3 इज नॉट इक्वल टू V. कैसे नहीं है रे? यहाँ पे देख, 18 प्लस 6 हो गया ना 42. यस, चेक योर सेल्फ. एडिशन देखो रे, 18 प्लस 6 38 कौन करता है? हाँ? कौन है रे वो? चरणजीत, 18 प्लस 6 इज इक्वल 38 कैसे रे? 36 प्लस 6 42 हो गया ना? हाँ? ठीक से करो. ओके, गुड. फिर से करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. राइट. ओके. So see, like this you have to do. So I am giving some problems. Just do it yourself. Okay. So let's stop here. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.